Hello everyone, this is Josh here, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Nine Fingered Wrenching. On this channel, we're all about hanging in the garage and working on projects, turning wrenches on anything mechanical. Throughout my life, I've always had fun creating stuff and doing things with my hands. So you may wonder why Nine Fingered Wrenching? Well, check this out. So in 2022, I faced off with a beast, Digital Papillary Adenocarcinoma. It's a rare cancer. The cure was removing my right index finger. So February 24th of 2022, I went in and had my finger amputated. But you know what? It didn't slow us down in the garage a bit. If anything, it cranked up the passion. It gave birth to my motto, find the blessing in every challenge. And it's what motivated me to start this channel. So join me for the wild ride.
Look at these.
From bringing Seadoos back to life, and getting down and dirty on a 1991 Mustang GT.
There's something about laying down underneath a car. It's kind of relaxing. I don't know what it is.
We're all about hands-on fun, crazy challenges, and tackling projects that make you go, the heck is he doing now? We're just garage time junkies, mixing up actual how-to tutorials with me just learning how to do stuff as we go. So if you're into tinkering on all things mechanical, well, you're in the right spot. As far as a regular upload schedule goes, think of me more like that friend that shows up unannounced, but always brings a good time. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of Garage Time Nuts. Peace.